about leaving the farm now. The fish is here doing well. Catfish is in the first one. Fish is doing well in the second one too. Okay, let's look at this side too. You're doing well. Doing well. Doing well here too. Have you started adding it? You don't add them? Sample water, yeah, sample water first. Okay. Let me bring it quickly. You added to which one now? Which one did you add to? Sorry again. Seriously. Okay. Now, for some of you who've not seen me for some time now, it's because I've been busy right at this farm to actually give them insights into what it takes to run a fish farm successfully. Now, they've been at this game now for about 4 months now to build up this fantastic facility. But then fishes are coming in already, like I showed you a little bit earlier on. But then there's a need for the staff to get to know a hang of what it takes for the fishes to do well after they've been transported here. There are a few mortalities here and there. That's why I'm here to correct and make them know exactly what to do to be able to run this farm successfully. I get the kind of results that we're showing folks on YouTube. So bear with me, a bit of patience, everybody will get attention one by one. This is Mr. Fish speaking. Okay. Switch my face.